started? Sorry. Hey everybody, it's Isabel here, an 8-year-old author who loves books, writing, and of course, snacks. Today, I'm sharing 5 fun and easy hacks to write amazing short stories and not get stuck. If you love writing stories but sometimes get lost, stuck, or just distracted by snacks, then this video is for you. What you'll learn in this video. 1. How to come up with epic story ideas, even if your brain is totally blank. 2. The secret to making characters people actually care about. 3. How to keep your readers hooked from start to finish. 4. The biggest writing mistakes beginners make and how to avoid it. 5. A simple trick to finish your story without giving up halfway. So if you ever sat down to write a story and thought, what do I even write about? Don't worry, I got you. Let's fix that today. Tip 1. Start with a funny or crazy idea. First things first, you need a story idea. But don't just sit there waiting for inspiration to hit you like a falling coconut. Try this trick instead. 1. Think of something normal, like a cat. 2. Now, make it weird. What if your cat could speak Spanish and wanted to be a famous rapper? 3. Boom, you've got a story. Comment below the wackiest story idea you can think of. Tip 2. Give your main character a big problem. Every great story needs a main character, but more importantly, your character needs a problem. Imagine a superhero with no superpowers, a detective who's afraid of the dark, a mermaid who's allergic to water. The bigger the problem, the better the story. Make sure your character has something that challenges them. Tip 3. Make things go wrong. It's more fun. Okay, imagine this. A kid enters a talent show to show off their amazing magic tricks. But, oh no, they accidentally make the judge disappear. Stories get boring if everything goes perfectly. So, make your character struggle. What's the worst thing that could happen next? Maybe they try to fix it and make things even worse. Tip 4. Keep your story short and simple. A short story is not a novel. You don't need 50 pages about what your character ate for breakfast. Keep it simple. One main character, one big problem, and a fun way to solve it. Try this. Think of your story like a movie trailer. What are the most exciting parts? Write those. Tip 5. End with a bang. The ending is super important. Don't just stop your story like, and then the end. Try to make your ending exciting, surprising, or even funny. Maybe your hero wins. Maybe they fail spectacularly. Maybe there's a plot twist. Here's an example. What if the magician finds the missing judge until he realizes the judge was invisible the whole time? Now it's your turn. Drop your crazy short story idea in the comments. Maybe I'll read some of my favorites in my next video. And if you love books, writing, and all things storytelling, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's make storytelling fun together. Before we end the video, let's talk. Have you ever written a short story? What was it about? What's your wildest story idea? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep writing, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Yeah, but don't just sit there waiting for inspiration to hit you like a falling coconut. Try this trick instead.